All right, so let's start notes 10. This is going to start with the first part, which is on writing and solve equations from algebraic phrases. So basically, we're going to take a sentence, and we are going to transform the sentence into some kind of an equation that we can then solve. So my habit, my tendency here, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit, is I'm going to grab a highlighter here, and I'm going to start reading the sentence, okay? It says, a number is multiplied by 3. Well, what number? I don't know, so here's my x, right? That's going to represent my number. Multiplied by 3. All right, cool. 3x, so that means 3 times x. So then if I keep going with my sentence here, then this product, the word product here just refers to the multiplication problem, so we got the product, is decreased by 5. Well, decreasing by 5 means I'm going to subtract 5. Okay, so decrease, right? Subtract 5. And then the result is, that is kind of a key word here that's going to tell me equals. The result is 19. All right, so there's my equation. Now I need to solve it. Okay, so let's find the number. So solving an equation, let's do some inverses. The inverses of subtraction is to add. So 3x equals, let's see, 19 plus 5 makes, I'm feeling 24 there. And then if I go ahead and divide by 3 to get x completely isolated, that's going to tell me that my number in this problem was the number 8. So x equals 8. So if I think about it, so if I take 8, right, multiply it by 3, so that's 24, then I decrease that by 5, absolutely I'm going to get 19 there. All right, so that's kind of a little double check to make sure that's the right answer to the problem. All right, number 2. Again, same idea here. 6 times a number. All right, so 6 times a number. Don't know the number, I use x, that's my math brain. You could use a smiley face if it made you happy. 6 times smiley face and just solve for smiley face. All right, it does not matter, just leave a placeholder there. This is increased by 2, so increase means I'm going to add 2. Okay, keep going here. The result is 14. So result, so that's going to be my answer here, is 14. So 6x plus 2 equals 14. Let's go ahead and solve it. Inverse 2, addition is to subtract. So 6x equals 12. Go ahead and divide both sides by 6, and my number in this case is going to be a 2. All right. And the last one in this set is problem number 3. So let me grab a highlighter here and let's start. Okay, sum of a number and 2. Sum means that we are adding. All right, so adding. I'm going to take my number and 2. I am adding that. Okay. Now this is where it gets a little bit weird here, okay? Is then multiplied by 4. So here's the thing. I need to make sure that this whole sum, right, that whole quantity value, whatever it is multiplied by 4. Okay, so this sum is multiplied by 4. And then the last part here is this is equal to 16. All right, so equals to 16. I need to solve this. Now, I could do a couple things here. I could distribute the 4 here and here and solve, or I'm just going to do inverses here. I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Okay, so get rid of that. So leaving the x plus 2 alone. Let's see, 16 divided by 4 is 4. And then if I do some more inverses, subtracting 2, that's going to get me x equals 2 again. All right, so that is how you can write an equation from a sentence, and then we went ahead and solved them. As always, let me know if you have any questions or concerns. See you in the next video.